Many wealthy billionaires are selling their stock. This indicates a black swan event coming. And let me explain how. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. Hope you're well. Wherever you are, we're going to be talking about a few cool things about what's going on with Bitcoin, what's going on with crypto, and then doing some TA, seeing if we can find some trades. Actually, we did some amazing trades thanks to Trading Different. Links are in the description below for Trading Different. We affiliate with them, and yeah, they are providing excellent information to help us with our trades. So yeah, check that out. Okay, with that said, if you're interested in trading, you could do so by heading over to bybit.davincij15.com, sign up, deposit up to $250,000, and you get $30,000 to trade for free. Wow, just like that. All right. Also, you might need some ID, right? That's because your country is just not allowing you to use Bybit. Well, this country will. And this ID will allow you to access it just like that. Also, for conferences, there's going to be a lot of conferences this month and next, and we'll be attending a lot of them. So this is one of the conferences that I'm going to be attending at End Crypto Awards 2024 in Ukraine, Slava Ukraini, and we'll see you guys there. October 22nd to 23rd, also Blockchain Life. Check that out. That's in Dubai here. I will be there. Come on down. We meet with me and take some pictures and post them on Instagram. I will definitely, if you put them in a story, I will repost that story. Okay, let's get on to the next gen. Such as early, right? Yeah, we are reversing here. You know, a little bit of a stair step upwards, but we're going up in the right direction with early. Pepe, yeah, it's gotten a little bit. It's coming back a little bit, of course. Right, nothing goes up in a straight line, but we will be victorious. It will come back, roaring back up, and doing extremely well. We went as high as $90 million market cap, I believe, and now we're down a little bit, but we will be back for the next attack. Orc, yeah, it's seen better days, of course, but this is a short term, and if you're not in this when we are taking off, well, I told you so. Same with waffles. All right, with that said, let's head over to the news. Let's start with these links here. You can find these links in my Telegram group, where you can actually find this Telegram group in the description by clicking on this link here that's available in the description, or the Telegram group link, which is also in the description, and you can actually join the Telegram group. All right, starting with the first news of the day is US trading app Robinhood launches crypto transfers in Europe. Wow. You could actually send and receive your crypto from Robinhood. United States trading app is now expanding cryptocurrency services in Europe only, right, by allowing customers to deposit and withdraw crypto using external platforms. Huge. Robinhood Markets crypto subsidiary, Robinhood Crypto, launched crypto transfers for customers in Europe on October 1. This is massive, right? Because there's a lot of exchanges out there that are somewhat dubious in Europe. And with Robinhood, such a big, being now an exchange where you could actually deposit your cash, probably a lot easier than most other exchanges, and then buy crypto and then transfer back out. Boom. I think I'm going to have my fiance do that, sign up for Robinhood now, because she's from Germany, and see how it is. What's the process for buying some crypto and transferring it out of Robinhood? Because hey, this is big. Okay, METAPLANET pushes Bitcoin holdings to 500 BTC with the latest buy. Congratulations! This is big, right? I mean, companies everywhere. Japan's METAPLANET, the budget hotel operator turns investment firm, added 6 0.9 million worth of Bitcoin to its holdings. It has begun, folks. It has begun. The Michael Saylor effect is here. There are companies out there realizing if I buy Bitcoin and put it on my balance sheet, my stock price will go up. As more and more companies do this and their stock prices go up, more companies will continue to do that. Please understand that picture. Then, when you go, oh, I better go buy some. Yeah. Oh, damn. Okay. Bitcoin curious Michael Dano sells 1.2 billion worth of DELL stock. Now, if you go on here, it says, you know, he sold $1.22 billion of his stock. He's still holding 16.9 million shares worth $2 billion, right? So that means he had a total of what? $3.2 billion, right? Let's just say, let's make it even three, right? And what's interesting about this that he's selling, you're like thinking, oh, well, he's just taking profits, no big deal. Dude, they don't need to sell their stock ever, right? The Federal Reserve is supposed to print money and keep them pumped up. Why couldn't they just go borrow the money, right? Borrow heavy, and then if they don't keep them pumped up with the stock, through the Federal Reserve, well, it's not your problem. If you borrow a few $1 billion and can't pay it back, it's not your problem. It's their problem. Right? You kind of get it, right? So the point is, why would you sell your stock unless when you go to the Fed, say, hey, I'm going to borrow a whole bunch of money. They say, no, because this is what's going to happen. Ah. There you go. So something big is coming down the pipe. Be ready. Why is crypto market down today? Well, everybody's looking for October to be, as soon as it becomes October, that means it's October every day. No, folks, it doesn't work that way. There was a lot of liquidations which occurred, right? It says here, right? The reason why this thing is over 340 million in liquidations to catch crypto traders offside. Offside! Let's go over that. And before we do, right, there is this link, right, for Bybit's World Series of Trading, right, which I'm participating in, right? And you can find this link here if you join my Telegram group, my public Telegram group, and find that link in the pinned comment. So for example, let's just say you're in the group and you're like, where's this pinned comment? Right there. You just click on it right there. That's it. Right? If you missed it, right, you just scroll down and let's see here if I can do that. Oh, that's how you get it. So you go down to the bottom and then you click on it and it takes you to the pinned comment. There you go, like that. With that said, we had two perfect trades which were based on the liquidity of people being liquidated, right? That's how these trades were set up. This one and this one. So how did we set that up? This particular product here called Trading Different, right? Which provided us with information about where the liquidity was so the market will go after it. And the market did. And like I said here, if you want to go long, you had to go long here. Right? We were saying that yesterday. You have to go down around the $61,000, right? So let's just see how that played out. Did we actually have that long? I think we took it off. Yeah, we took it off. Oh, there it is. There it is. That one has to be removed actually, because that one was not the greatest. That was like oh yeah, you know what? That was where I was thinking, okay, well, that's where the liquidity is, but there's more liquidity down there. And so, yeah, that was the new long was around 60. Well, I mean, you could have started here, right? And added all the way down, which we were talking about a few days ago. And that's what happened. Boom, right? Giving you a chance to add to your long and have an average between the 62,000 and the 61, which gives you right now a break even situation if you did it evenly. So looking at Ethereum, that was an easy call that it was going to come back down to this level, the $2,400 level. Boom, there it is. Told ya. And it did that exactly as predicted. All right, well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. We will see you guys tomorrow. I will be taking off all of next week, probably even the weekend. Now, this weekend, I'll probably do live shows, but the weekend after, probably not. It all depends on how long it takes me to set up my new studio. I will be setting up a whole new studio. It may not be fully functional and perfect, but I will be doing that over the next week. And I hope you enjoy the new studio once we move into it. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.